I've never seen a storm like this. I hope we'll be okay. What was that? I've got to hold this. Just a little longer. Don't give in.
Meow. Splash. Splash. Me-oh-ow. Splish splash. You.
Look! Over there! It's getting stronger! Here! Ah! We have to do something now!
Max! Help! Max! Come quickly! Max!
Max, over here, the hole.
Go! Got it, Mimi!
Quickly, Max, before it gets away. Oh, a leak. Need to catch that. Got it.
Whoa! That's a bit slick. Better be careful. Almost. All good.
Max, you can do it! Just a little further.
It's so heavy.
Just a little more.
Yes, you did it. Good job.
Oh, I remember that one, Grandma.
Oh, my.
The shelf is flooding. I need to get out of here.
Come on, Mimi. The sprinkles are waiting.
Ow! I've got the whisk, Lunar. Let's get them. Ow! Oh, what's that?
A photo of us.
May I see?
Of course.
Oh no, I have to save this. Ow! Carefully now. Ow! There, safe at last.
Oopsie. Oopsie.
Huh? No, just a little tap.
Time to get this vase sparkling.
Ow! Ow!
Just a little rub here.
Perfect.
You're here. Right on time. Let's do this. You're doing great, Max. Just a little further.
Time for these treasures to rest. Good night, old friends. Almost there. You can do it. Watch this. Yay! This whisk is ready to go. Eek! Oh, no. Oops.
Phew. Thanks, Lunar. Anytime, Mimi. Oh, I'm so tired.
Look out, Max.
No. Oh, don't worry, I got this.
Whew. Thank you, Mimi. Oh, my. A chest. A treasure chest. Let's see what's inside.
Mimi, over here. Can you help me with this chest? Just a sec, Lunar. Let me put this down.
All right, ready when you are.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Together now.
On the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Heave.
You can't have it.
Oh, yes, I can!
No way.
Yay. Yes way.
Strained grunt.
Not gonna happen! Purr. Ooh. What's happening? Whoa! Uh-oh!
Keep pushing, Tiny. I'm trying. Just a little more. We did it.
All right, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Together.
All right, Lunar, keep the pace. Almost there. Careful of the water.
drop it.
Over here! It's safe! Ow! I see you! Come on in! I'm coming! Oh no! Did it get wet? It feels damp.
Max, you have to push harder. But I can't. I just can't. I'll get some items. Hold on, Max.
Hurry!
I got it. Push against it. We stopped it.
Okay, here it comes. Whoa! Whoa!
Got it. Perfect.
Yeah. Oh no, water! Wait, it's working. Yes, it's working.
Okay, we're all clear.
Look at that one! Another one! Hooray! It's perfect! What's this? I think the key goes right there. Oh, I know! Now where did I put that thing? Ah, here it is. A key. For me? Wow! It fits! Yeah! Wow, look at that!
Wow, look at this. It's a hoverboard. Amazing!
I have something special to show you.
Grandma Cat's cookbook! Ready?
Oh, I'm more than ready.
Time for a little adventure.
Wow, look at that that ramen and sushi too. Tacos! They all look so good! Pick me! Yes! I found it! Prepare for the best cookies ever!
I can't find it. Where is it? The festival recipe, I need it. It has to be here somewhere. Where could it have gone?
I think we need more sugar. Let me see. Yes, 2 scoops.
Time to get serious.
Mimi, what's wrong? Nothing.
No, tell me. I can help.
I broke my whisk.
Okay, let's see. Need to find that recipe. Not here. Maybe back a few pages. Aha, here it is. Ooh, what's this? The recipe page is missing.
I thought there would be more here.
It's okay, you'll get it next time.
Oh, thank you.
I could have swore there was something else in here. Are you sure, Lunar? Yes, right at the bottom. Not it. Just a piece of paper. The rain stopped. Wow, a rainbow.
Max, what's that thing in your hand, Mimi?
Mimi, it's a whisk, Max, for baking.
Lunar, he wants to join us.
Max, look.
The book is torn. How could this happen? Can you fix it, please? I have looked everywhere, but I simply cannot find that specific page. I need your help. It's the only one missing. Finally finished with this last page. Look, right here. See this little line on the edge? Let's see. Wait, what does that say? Seriously? Nope, can't read it. Fine.
I must see what's causing this. Oh, no!
Aha! I see. No, that's not it. Of course. What's all this? Curiouser and curiouser. Oh my, that's beautiful. I didn't even know that was there. Wow. What is that up there? Wow, it's so bright. Look at it glow. Amazing. Now the tricky part is the measurement.
Aha, I see it.
We need just a pinch of stardust.
Right, let's do this.
Come back here with that whisk.
Ow! No way, this is my whisk.
Wow, this frame is magical. Look at the lights. Look at the lights.
Okay, let's fix this. Careful. Ow. Just a little more.
Perfect. Thank you, Lunar.
talking about?
Not.
I've got it. I'm gonna make the biggest cake ever.
I understand completely. Completely. Absolutely. Got it. Got it.
The storm has passed. It's peaceful now.